Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer from barley using an easy method. First, we'll start with mashing. You'll crush about 5 pounds of malted barley, then steep it in 2½ gallons of hot water, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes. This crucial step extracts the sugars from the grains, creating a sweet liquid called wort, which is the foundation of your beer. Next, we move to the boil. Transfer your wort to a large pot and bring it to a vigorous boil for 60 minutes. This is when you'll add your hops. Hops contribute bitterness, flavor, and aroma to your beer. You'll typically add some at the beginning for bitterness and more towards the end for aroma. Boiling also sterilizes the wort, preparing it for fermentation. Now for the magic, fermentation. Rapidly cool your wort to about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This is critical to prevent off flavors. Once cooled, transfer it to a sanitized fermenter and pitch your brewer's yeast. The yeast will consume the sugars, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. Let it ferment undisturbed for 7 to 14 days, maintaining a stable temperature. Finally, it's time to bottle your homemade brew. Sanitize all your bottles and add a small amount of priming sugar to each. This sugar will create carbonation in the bottle. Carefully siphon the fermented beer into the bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cap them securely and let them condition for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature. Then, enjoy your delicious beer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.